Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see a Google Docs mobile overview. So if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
Download the Google Docs from the Play Store and just open it. So first of all, this is the overview. Click on this three dot option. You will see an option of recent document that you opened, and stored, which is you have added to the favorite, shared with me, offline, spam, and dustbin, which you deleted documents, notification, and setting. In going to the setting option, you will see a lot of theme setting and also the data usage and clear cache option and lot other more. So while you can just change the menu setting like this to the GUID view or list view, and you can search a document. Just click this and you can just search it, and here in folder option you can just click it and open the drive or device storage to view or edit the documents. Click on the plus symbol, which you can have a two option: have a new document or choose template. You just click on this new document, which actually opens the new document, and here you will see undo redo option on the top. Click on this A option, which actually opens the text and the paragraph formatting options, which you can just see every formatting options that you want to have is here. And click on this plus symbol, which actually opens your links, inserting option like images, tables, horizontal line, page break, and page number, footer, and lot of the more. And the next option is comment option if you want to make changes. And click on this three dot option, where you can find a lot of more options like spell check, page setup, and also on the print option, share option, download option. So these are the basic option of the document. This is the basic overview of the Google Docs document. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.